We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. With you, my friends, with only you.
To let you
My sincerest
know
and
you
warmest
make me
congratulations
glow.
to all of you on
I
your
feel
graduation
so
day.
good,
Remember,
it's
with God behind
true.
you,
So
and stars with
glad
you, you can
that
face
I have
whatever is ahead of you.
you.
Mahal
You
ko
love me
kayo
so.
Mrs.
Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you
Rizal
for
2,
the joy.
batch 2009-2010. Congratulations to all of us. It has been 4 years in high school. Now it's time to graduate. We have struggled during high school life. Now it's time to receive our diplomas. Our graduation day is at the end of our journey. More challenging one. Thank you for happy and bad memories. We enjoy our high school life, especially in this 4th year. But there's some of our classmates that will hate their attitude, and some of our classmates that will love them. They said high school life is the happiest part of being a teenager. Then I agree. The chapter of our life, we feel different things, we face different challenges, and we fall in love. We hope we never forget each other, especially our section. Resolve 2.
You give me strength each day. I thank you for the glow and thank you for the
We are very thankful to our teachers and advisors who guiding us for 10 months. Thank you so much for being kind to our section. Thanks for the love that you gave to us, especially to the patients. because we all know that Rizal too is so very talkative and full of kalokohan. But you gave your full patience to us. Sorry for the bad times that Rizal too did to all of our teachers. Thank you so much for being part of our high school life, especially this part year. We miss the time of being pressured, especially in physics. We miss the time that we feel nervous in class or we fail. We miss the time when we are cheated and making lickings to pass our exam. We miss the time when we fool some of our teachers and some of our classmates. We miss the time when we do some crazy things. Most of all, we miss our crushes, our loved ones, our enemy, our friends, our classmates, our schoolmates, our teachers, our advisors, our principal, especially our school, Pampanga High School, our second home, where we grow our knowledge. Congratulations and happy graduation day!